Now we come to 12-bar blues. By 12-bar blues, I refer to a standardized musical form that has been codified and is widely used by musicians, not necessarily the authentic old-time 12-bar blues as is done by Delta blues players, for example. This is a typical 12-bar format, meaning 12 measures with 4 beats in each measure. See if this doesn't sound familiar to you. That was 12-bar blues. It goes through 3 chords, and it's pretty much the same way in any key, with very small variations when it's played. The first 4 bars are usually in the same key. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I played 4 measures in G over that particular riff. The next 4 bars would be 2 bars of the 4 chord and then back to 2 bars of the 1 chord. 2, 1, 2. And then the last 3 bars, things move a little bit faster. It goes to the 5 chord, to the 4 chord, and back to the 1. And at the very last, a 5 chord thrown in to do what is called a turnaround and take you back to the home key of G. 1, 1, and another, 2, and right there going to the D chord, the 5 chord, to turn around. Here's another very simple riff that expresses the same thing. I call this the John Lee Hooker approach. Again, you hear the same progress, the same progression. 4 bars of G, 2 bars of C, 2 bars of G, and then the last 4 bars are D, C, G, with a D at the last 2 beats of the last bar. That's typical of 12-bar blues. Let's take it from the example of Milk Cow Blues, which of course is in my book, 43 Fiddle Tunes in Tab. Kind of like this. Again, I ended on the D, turning it around. If I was going to end it for the last time, I might play it a little bit differently to really suggest a stronger ending, maybe like this. Again, same chord progression. 4 bars of G, 2 C, 2 G, D, C, G, with the D at the end, or leaving off the D to end it once and for all. That's your basic 12-bar blues. Now, what's good about 12-bar blues, it creates the format that you can use, and I would say probably should use, to do your own improv workouts by yourself in your own studio. you get used to this format of the 12 bars going by and tune into where those chord changes happen, which you already know because you've heard them all your life, and boogie woogie and so on, blues. You know this stuff. So it's just a case of making your knowledge a little bit more precise and, let's say, left-brained, to have it precisely anchored into certain groups of measures associated with chords and keys. The key of G is really good for 12-bar blues. So is the key of D. Florida blues is another 12-bar blues key, 12-bar blues tune, and it's in the key of D, but it goes by, whips by quite a bit faster. This is an example of Florida blues. That's going through at one time. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, da 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 da, 4 da 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 da, 1 da 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 da, like that. It goes through the 4 bars of D, then the 2 bars of G, just much faster than Milk Cow Blues, and oftentimes it's played even faster than that. That's about it for 12-bar blues right now. I hope you can find a way to work through this on your own and learn how to be an improvising fiddle player.